Number 29, solve the inequality and write the solution set in interval notation. So we have a rational function here, and it is an inequality. We need to have the correct boundary points, and the solution set, we need to write it as an interval. So in order to get the boundary points, we can set both the numerator and the denominator equal to 0 separately. We know that x minus 2 is not allowed to be 0 because we cannot divide by 0, so x is not allowed to be 2. That is a critical point. Our other point is going to be where x minus 4 equals 0 or where x equals 4. Here are our test points, our critical points, and we are going to plug in some points surrounding those values. Now we can think of these kind of like boundaries there, okay? We can include 4, so I'm actually going to make that a solid line because we can include 4, but we cannot include -2, we cannot include 2 because we're never allowed to divide by 0. When we plug in 0 into this function, we're going to get -4 divided by -2, and that's going to be a positive result. When we plug in 3 into this function, we're going to get a negative over a positive, which will result in a negative. Then when we plug in 5 here, we're going to get a positive value over a positive value, and this is positive. Now, our solution set only exists where the solution is less than or equal to 0, and that's only happening between these 2 points. So our answer is going to be excluding 2 all the way up to 4 and including 4.